Do you want to get an idea of what is related DAX function in Power BI? Hi, this is Krupali from KnowHow Academy. So let me tell you what you are going to learn in this video. In this video, you will get an idea what is related DAX function and what you can do with that. So let me explain you with the scenario. Now here you can see that in our data, I have two tables, customer table and order detail table. Now let me show you the data. In the customer table, customer email is a primary key, or you can say it's a key which will help us to link with another table. Now this is the primary key and these are the column which contain the name, gender and etc. information. Now in second table, the name of the table is order detail table. In order detail table, customer email is a foreign key, or you can say it is a reference key of that. Now what I want to do, I want to display or I want to include the customer first name and the last name in order detail table. How can I do that? So to do this in Power BI, you need to use related DAX function. The job of related DAX function is which will get a related value from primary table in secondary table. Let's see how. Now let's say I want to add customer first name in order detail table. So you can add new column by go to the home and click here new column, or you can right click on order detail table and click on new column. Once you click on new column, it will give here the space where you need to write a DAX function. So I'm writing the name of the column, that is customer name equal to. Then you need to write a related DAX function, and what you need to write here, once you write a DAX function, it will automatically display the name of a table and the column name which you can get it from the primary table. So let's say I want to display the customer first name, so write down like that and hit enter, or you can say click on correct. So here you will see that customer name it's displaying automatically. Okay, so what it do? It go to the table, it will match what is the name of that particular customer whose email ID is that, and then it will display the name. Now let's say you want to display the last name also. So what you can do? You can do same thing, instead of customer first name, you can display customer last name. Or what you can do, you can add one more column and write it some related DAX function like that. Now you may have a question, in every situation it will work. So let me tell you, it will not work in every situation. Let's say here this is the data model, and here these two tables contain relationship between them, and the type of relationship is one to many relationship. Now let's delete that relationship. Okay. Now, once you delete the relationship and save and go to the table view, here it generates an error. Why? The reason is that if two tables are not related with each other and you try to get the value of another table in some table, then it will generate an error. So it is mandatory that if you are using related DAX function, that two tables should be connected with each other via relationship. So let's connect it again. Customer email to customer email. I am establishing a relationship and it will automatically work. Now see here, before that it was an error, but here the error is not there. Now let me show you again. So now here automatically you can see that name of the customers are here. Now let's say I am changing the relationship. Here the relationship is one to many relationship. Let me double click on it and click on one to one relationship. Now although it's not working, a cardinality it is not working, but let's say here I am selecting many to many. Okay. Now see, if you select many to many, it will not work. It is always, here it is a many to many, so here again it will generate an error. Now double click on that and let me make it again one to one-to-many relationship. Here we need to establish many-to-one relationship. Why? Because here it's an order table. So many-to-one relationship and it's work. Okay, so whenever you are getting a value from one table to another table, so then it is a compulsory that your relationship can be a one-to-many. So I hope you understand how to use related DAX function in Power BI. Thank you for choosing KnowHow Academy as a source of your IT knowledge. We are always here to help you to navigate to the tech world. If you have any question, do not feel hesitate to reach out us. Stay curious and keep learning.